there are some distorted facts in the case reported at Korvari police station regarding that murder of Patil. Fact of the case is that on 18th he was assaulted by 4 people at Socorro, and he was thereafter he had gone to his house and he told his mother that I had a fall from scooter where I met with an accident, and on that basis he was admitted in Asilo. Thereafter he was shifted to GMC as a case of accident. This was prior. We had no records about all these things. Nobody had informed us. On 21st, we received information that patient Ankush Patil, who has been admitted in GMC as a case of MV accident, is not a case of MV accident but a case of assault. So my PI Korvari, Mr. Chavan, immediately went on the spot, conducted inquiry in the neighborhood, and found out that the person Patil, now deceased, has been assaulted by 4 people. The mother, who is aged and who is having some difficulty in hearing, so we could not record her complaint, and there was no clear version from her. She only knew that my son had fallen. Thereafter we traced his close friend, who was also an eyewitness. So his detailed complaint was recorded immediately on 21st, that is after 3 days. His complaint was recorded in the morning, and by evening we immediately arrested 3 persons. Their name is Pranav Kashinath Borkar, aged 28 years, from Kirawada, Chimbel. Arjun Naresh Pariyekar is also from Chimbel, and Anesh Prashant Borkar from Chimbel. The main accused who had assaulted him badly, Saurabh Bhaskar Narulkar, was absconding since the evening. So we made all efforts. First we arrested all this by evening. We placed them under arrest. We produced them before the court, and court granted us 4 days police custody. So we went in search of Saurabh. We did technical search through his mobile call details. We went to his relative's house, his friend's house, but he was not traceable. On 29, we received information from casualty that the patient who is admitted has been expired. In the afternoon, we traced the main accused, Saurabh Bhaskar Narulkar, and we also placed him under arrest. On 30th, means today, 29, he was produced before JMFC Hapsa, and he has been remanded to 7 days police custody. And the custody of earlier 3 accused has been extended by 4 days police custody. These are the facts of the case. The motive behind the crime. The motive behind the crime is that on 1st January 2026, when the main accused Narulkar was in his car after attending a party, he was sleeping outside his in a car with his windows open. At that time, the victim had removed his bracelet, golden bracelet, and it was seen by one of Narulkar's friend. On that basis, Narulkar first came to the police station, lodged a complaint that the suspect he has given the name of the suspect and he has stolen my bracelet. We immediately conducted inquiry. We traced him. We brought him at the police station, and it was found that he has sold the bracelet to one of the jewelry shop in Mapsa. So that jeweler was bought at the police station, and the bracelet was also bought, because by the evening only we traced, and it was recovered. And after recovery, the complainant, alias this accused Saurabh Narulkar, looking at the face of the deceased who has stolen his vehicle, did not wish to lodge a complaint. So we did not register an FIR. So this is the main motive, and thereafter they always had a heated arguments whenever they used to see each other, because they stay in the same locality. So on 18th, the main accused along with all his 3 friends, when they were near his in Socorro, this person deceased was passing by. He was stopped and there was a heated argument that turned into assault. This is the main crime what has happened.
सर ती चेन चोरल्या म्हणटा मास्क ती केन्ना चोरलेली तेजी
On
इन्सिडंट
1st January 2026.
1 जानेवारी
Yes.
असो तो रिवेंज अशें घेतला अशें
रिवेंज घेतलं अशें न्ही तें मात तेज्या खातीर ते दे आर लोकली दे आर स्टेईंग इन द सेम लोकेलिटी. सो एकामेकाक तोंड पळोवन तेंचे ते वाद जातालोच.
तुमी तेन्ना FIR करूंक नासले तेजी
ना हेणेच कंप्लेनंटान सांगलें मिन्स एक्युजान सांगलें की म्हाका चेन मेळ्ळी म्हाका FIR नाका हें सांगलेलें तेणें.
आफ्टर द एसोल्ट कंप्लेन कोण आसलो मागीर
आफ्टर द एसॉल्ट मीन्स आफ्टर 2 days
2 days.
वी ट्रेस्ड हीज फ्रेंड हू इज अ आय विटनेस.
ओके
तो ते भिवून ते गार्डनान लिपोवन ते सगळे एसॉल्ट जाता ते पळयतालो. सो तेकाच आमी कंप्लेनंट केला. ना ना काय करूं ना बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑल्सो ए पॅटी थीफ इन द एरिया. सो तेजेर एक ऑफेन्सूय आहा की 379 ऑफेन्स आहा मोटरसायकल थॅफ्टाची.
म्हणजे तो हॉबिच्युअल अशी चोरी करपी तो
हय हय तेजेरूय केसीस आहा 3 केसीस आहा तेजी रजिस्टर्ड एट पेंजीम पुलीस स्टेशन.
ते सगळे एकामेकाक वळखताले ते
हय दे आर द सेम कम्युनिटी लोकेलिटीन रावतात. तो तेंच्या घरा मुखार वयतना तो गायी मारतालो ते सौरभाक. सो तेका तो राग आसलो त्या हेतून तेणें तें आर्ग्युमेंटान मागीर एसॉल्ट जालो.
आर्ग्युमेंट कसो स्टार्ट जालो कित्याक
तूं आमच्या घरा कडेन कित्याक गाळी मारता येवन अशें दॅट इज हीज वर्जन. दॅट इज पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनार 351 CR 2014ची एक आहा. ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोलर आहा पळय KTC बस स्टँडार थंय वाद जाल्लो ते ती एक आहा. मागीर एक चिटींग केस आहा. ही इज को एक्यूज इन दॅट चिटींग केस रजिस्टर्ड इन पेंजीम बिकॉज ही इज ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम पेंजीम. आनी एक ते सावंडाचे जाल्ले पळय सावंड प्रॉब्लम
सावंड
म्हळ्यान तेतून तो वन ऑफ द मेंबर इन दॅट. हय लिकराची ती चिटींगाची डुप्लिकेट.
सो जेन्ना एसोल्ट जालो पळय ते फुटेज जे आसता तेजो कितें रोल आहा भितर सायडीक रावन पळयतालो
तोच आय विटनेस
तोच आय विटनेस.
सरेंडर जालो ते
ना आमी अरेस्ट केलो ते आमी मोर्जेच्यान हाडलो तेका.
रिलेटिव्ह कितें
रिलेटिव्जान आसलो तेका हेतून आसलो रिजॉर्टान आसलो रावलो. आमचे स्टँडर्ड प्रोसिजरूच तो हिस्ट्री शिटराक आमी रातचे चॅकूच करता तेजे मुवमेंट्स पळोवपाक. पळय तेका मोटीव आसता एसॉल्ट बेश्टो जायना कितें तरी मोटीव आसता. हे मोटीव कितें आहा तेजी ब्रासलेट चोरली म्हणून तेका राग जाता. तो सडन प्रोवोकेशनान ते इट्स लेड टू एसॉल्ट. कित्याक तेका दाण्यानी बी अशें कांय मारूंक ना. हातीन पायान मुठी हे तितून मारला.
डॅरिंग लोक खूब मारामारीचे कशें कितें
Daring
पुलिसांचो भंय कमी जालो.
पुलिसांचो भंय कमी जावना आनी तांचो कोणाचोच भंय कमी जावना.
तर पयलीं अशें करून डायरेक्ट मर्डर जाल्यार मार जातलें उगडी जातलें सगळें. आतां डायरेक्ट हात उखलून लागले खुबशें कितें जालें म्हणजे.
सर तुमी आनीक म्हटलं पळय एक्सिडेंट जालो म्हणटा तुका एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो खरो काय वॉज इट एसॉल्ट ओनली.
ना तेणें विक्टिमान म्हणजे डिसिजान घरा कडेन सांगलें आवय की आपलो एक्सिडंट जावन तोंडाक लागला. So
मारलो
तशी
म्हणून
ती
सांगलें.
मारलें म्हणून कांय सांगूना तेणें.
ती सिस्टम मागीर तेंच्यांनी डॉक्टराक सांगलें.
डॉक्टराक सांगलें तेणें ते डॉक्टरान हिस्ट्री ऑफ MV एक्सिडंट सेल्फ एक्सिडंट.
आतां पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्टान कॉज ऑफ डेथ एक्चुअल कितें येयलें कितें तेका इंटरनल
सेप्टिमिसिया म्हणून आयला ऑर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स डॅमेज आहा. मागीर हेडाक इंजरी आहा ब्लंट फोर्स इम्पॅक्ट हे मेजर कॉज.
ऑर्गन डॅमेज जावपा कारण मारला म्हणून ऑर्गन डॅमेज जाला
आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आहा की ही वॉज अल्कोहॉल
आल्कोहॉल
ते डॅमेज आसले तेका.
विक्टीम
हय